understand, like, when you touch trees, it's a transference of energy from one party to the next, like when a person is magnetic and something that is an abstractor of magnetism, like the opposite of a positive charge, is going to pull energy. When you touch a tree, it is magnetic, it is magneto, it is a electric charge. It charges, especially if you have the equivalence of a positive charge or a positive connectivity energy within you. Touching trees. I normally have my feet in the grass, but California ain't got a lot of grass like that. I mean, they do actually have a lot of grass, but like